I mentioned earlier, you want to hang on tight to everything. Backpacks, purses, camera bags, cell phones. If you have a camera and you want to take photos, you can totally do so, but do me a favor, guys. No flash photography, no video lights inside. Please stay seated at all times and put those 3D glasses on right about now. Glasses go on, and welcome to Skull Island. Here we go. Alright, you guys, glasses go on. Welcome to Skull Island. Don't be scared, Desiree. Don't be scared. Gosh, you guys, we're surrounded left and right hand side. These dinosaurs have spotted us. Leave us alone. Go away. Whoa. Guys, watch out on the right-hand side. Right-hand side. He's coming right for us. Watch out. Everybody look on the left-hand side. Look back there at the fourth car. We're getting pulled off the cliff. Oh yeah, King Kong 360 3D. Big round of applause if you enjoyed that. Woo! Oh my gosh. Alright, you guys, now that we're back outside, do me a favor, take those 3D glasses off, put them back around your neck or on top of your head. Don't wear them outside. You can also wipe the dinosaur spit off your face. So I hope you guys had a good time in there, but I know my first car was having a blast. Let's check in with everybody else. Cars 2, 3, and 4, make some noise. How you guys doing back there? You guys good? Oh my God, you guys still think you're going to Vegas, don't you?